Welcome to another episode on SG Dr. Wellness. It's Coach Alvin here. Today, we are delving into the wonderful world of oatmeal. We have already explored the differences between rice and oats, and now it's time to unravel the various types of oatmeal you can find in your grocery store shelves. There are 5 common types of oatmeal to choose from, each with its own unique characteristics and culinary uses. Before we begin, give us the best support possible by smashing the subscribe and notification buttons now. First up, we have Whole Oat Groats. Think of this as the oat berries, the least processed of them all. The inedible hulls are removed, but they still retain their grain form. Cooking them takes a bit of time, typically around 50 minutes, but the result is worth it. They have a nutty flavor with a texture quite similar to rice or barley. Now, let's talk about steel-cut oats, also known as Irish oats. These are made by slicing oat groats into small pieces using steel blades. Each grain is cut into 3 to 4 parts, resembling coarse grains of sand. They cook faster than whole groats, usually in 20 to 30 minutes, and have a chewier consistency. Rolled oats, often called old-fashioned oats, are probably the most popular oatmeal variety. They are made by steaming oat groats and then flattening them as they pass through steel rollers. The thickness of the rolled oats varies based on the distance between the rollers. This process stabilizes the healthy oils in oats and gives them a long shelf life. Cooking time typically ranges from 5 to 20 minutes depending on the thickness. They have a softer texture and milder flavor compared to steel-cut oats, and are commonly used in cookies, granola bars, and more. Quick oats are quite similar to rolled oats in terms of processing. They are steamed and rolled, but go through a longer steaming process and are rolled into thinner slices. This allows them to cook in much shorter time, typically under 3 minutes. You'll often find them in granola bars, cereals, and smoothie mixtures. Quick oats tend to have a slightly mushier consistency. Lastly, we have instant oats. These guys go through the most processing. In addition to rolling and steaming, they are chopped into small bits and pre-cooked. This makes them the quickest to prepare. Just add boiling water or a short stint in the microwave and you're ready. However, be cautious as some instant oats may contain additives and sugar for flavor. Always check the ingredient list for healthier options. Due to their fine chop, they tend to have the least filling when consumed. In conclusion, keep in mind that the more processed the oatmeal, the less filling it will be. But they do cook faster and have a mushier texture. When shopping for oatmeal, read those ingredient lists carefully. Opt for options with little or no additives and avoid added sugar. Oatmeal can be an excellent carbohydrate alternative to rice, filling you up faster with fewer calories. Thanks for joining us on this oatmeal adventure. If you found this to be helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tasty tips and healthy content. Do you have a favorite oatmeal variety or a go-to recipe? Do share them with us in the comments below. Until the next time, keep your oats consumption up and your meals delicious. Stay safe and stay healthy.